Alright, welcome back to the Affinity video. So let's say you have got a photo and there's something or someone or something in the shot that you really don't want there. So in this video I'm going to show you the fastest way to remove a person or animal in this example using Affinity by Canva. First thing you want to do is open Affinity, so set up this canvas. After that, go ahead and import the photo. Now look at the top bar and make sure you switch over to the pixel persona. Once you are in pixel mode, check the tools on the left side. So find inpainted brush tool and click on it. So before you start using it, check the tool. So double check the settings as I said. So we need um, opacity at 100% and where it is, hardness, where it is, opacity, 100% radius. Okay. So when you're ready, just paint over the person or whatever object you have you want to get rid of. So I will do it like this one. Okay, so I can go. I will set up here 100. So now we can brush over our object, subject, whatever. I will do it a little bit unprofessionally, just to be that we don't have. And that's basically it. Now the Affinity will clean it up automatically, leaving your photo looking net and distraction free. Right now it's not in that way, but if you put a little bit effort in it, it will look as the object was never there. But you just need to take some time to do that. Also, there are some better ways, so check out my videos about how to remove background, because in this video you can also invert and remove the object that you don't do this way. So I hope this one helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next